Hello everyone, this is Healy from AI Learners. AI Learners, today's topic is RunwayML. Please subscribe AI Learners YouTube channel and press the bell icon for new updates. RunwayML is an AI image to video generator and it's awesome to use. Gen 3 represents a significant leap in text-to-video AI technology, demonstrating remarkable improvements in motion consistency and visual quality. Can generate up to 16 seconds of video content from text prompts, longer than most competitors, offers more precise control over generated content through detailed text prompts. RunwayML presents a compelling vision for democratizing AI. Its user-friendly interface and pre-built models empower creators with powerful tools for image generation, video editing, and more. The platform's focus on accessibility and collaboration is commendable. However, RunwayML still faces challenges. Pricing can be a barrier for some users, and the selection of pre-built models may not always be comprehensive. Overall, RunwayML is a valuable resource for artists, filmmakers, and anyone seeking to explore the creative potential of AI. With continued development and a focus on affordability, RunwayML has the potential to become an indispensable tool for the future of creative expression. Strengths: user-friendly, powerful AI models, collaborative features, democratizing AI. Weaknesses: pricing, limited model selection. Overall, a promising platform with the potential to revolutionize creative workflows. This script can be adapted to fit the specific focus of your review. This is a general conclusion. For a more specific and impactful review, you should tailor it to your own experience with RunwayML and highlight the aspects that you found most compelling or concerning. Thanks for watching. Hopefully you will stay with us. Like, share, and subscribe. Goodbye.